Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your message app on your Samsung phone. So as you can see here guys, I have a message app on my phone, and this message app is basically the Samsung message app. And there's proof that to you, if you swipe up on your Samsung phone and go across and look for the Samsung apps, you will see that that's the same message app. However, in order to change this app to, for example, a Google app or whichever app, you want to first check in case you have any other message app on your phone. So you want to search, and if you see more than one apps, then you can use it. Now, this second app here is the Google app, right? So you have the Samsung app and you also have the Google application. And this app is very useful because you can utilize the power of Gemini. Now, if you don't want to use those apps, you can open up your Play Store and simple search for a message. So you'll use the search and search for message, and you'll find other applications there that use for messages that you can choose from, right? So I'm going to stick with the two apps that I have on my phone, and I'm going to simple switch and use the Google app. So all you have to do is just ensure that you press and hold the current message app and simply remove. That's going to free up a space on your lower part of your phone. Now you want to go a swipe up and find the other message app that you want to change it to. Press and hold and just simple drag down to the bottom of your screen and just make space for it and just let it go right there. And that's how easy it is to change it. So once you do that, you just need to go ahead and continue and start using this application on your phone, and you want to set it as default. Now once you open it, you'll have the option to set it as default. Just simple click set as default app and just select it. And once you select this, make it as default, and it's gonna now be your default app. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.